Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Maurice right over this way, and today, I'm in the process of doing an ad, so I thought, why not show you guys how to do an ad? So right now I'm on Instagram. Okay, I'm actually gonna just close this out because I want to show y'all guys. Okay, I'm actually gonna exit out of this. Right now I'm in the middle of creating an ad because I want to get a little bit more, exposure to the page. So I'm just going to take it from starting point. So boom, y'all see, this is the ad that I want to promote. So I just go ahead and click promote, right? Then it says select where you want to send the people. I'll just say the profile because it's just profile exposure I want to do, right? So then from there, you can choose like what audience you want to go ahead and do. This was like some of the stuff, like I was promoting like this little makeup brush for this other campaign I did, but we're just going to do a new one. So we're just going to create our own, right? So audience name, I'll just put Iowa because I just want to go ahead and put this ad out for Iowa. I always like to choose where I want my ad to go to because I can get a little bit better reach for what I want to spend. So for the regions, let's just go Ankeny. So right now you guys see it's in a watch what happens. So Ankeny, Iowa. Okay, we are up to 44,000 people, but let's also go West Des Moines. West Des Moines. You see, it just brings it up. You can literally target your whole city. You can target your states if you want to target your states. Let's see, West Des Moines, Ankeny, Urbandale. And this is a great way for you guys to get exposure if you're willing to, spend, because again, this is a paid method. Paid methods, there's a reason why they always say that paid method is the way to go when you are doing this, because at the end of the day, look how much of a reach I would have. 340,000 just from doing simple targeting like this. Let's see, Ankeny, West Des Moines. Oh, can't forget Clive. I need the Clive. Clive, Iowa. And let's also go Davenport. Nah, let's go Waterloo. Waterloo. And I could choose all of Iowa, but hey, that's funny. Waterloo on 420,000. But these are the cities I want to target, right? So then after that, I get done with my cities. Then I can choose my age range. I like to go somewhere between, let's go about 20 to, and as you'll see, as you fluctuate it, your numbers is going to change just because of who you're trying to target. Let's go 20 to 48 on this one. It's about 270,000, so I'll go with that, yeah. And then from there, once you click there, then here's the best part. You click, that's the audience you want to do. Yeah. And then you click, then you can budget. So what do you want to spend? So for 30 days, 6 days, if I go $5 a day, that's $30. That would get me a reach of about 1,500 to 4,000. I'll go $6. Well, fuck it, let's just make it an E, nice. Yep, let's go let's go. That's about $7. Let's see. This really gives you a great way to control your spend. Let's just go 36. 36 give me 2,000 people for this one. But this one I don't really have a offer for. Let's go $4. Should I do $4? Yeah, because on this one I'm gonna do $4 on this one just because I do not have an offer on this. It's just for exposure. So if I don't have an offer to get me more money, then I'm going to just spend less to at least attain more exposure. So now in the ad game, yes, you will lose money sometimes, yes, but at the end of the day, I'm telling you, you can literally get yourself out there through your own work, through Thank you. See, and then it's under approval. Instagram's gonna do its thing to make sure that everything is set the way it needs to be set, and then boom, this ad, this video, these people will see this, a gracious 1,000 or so. So it's a good way to get exposure, and then more people know who you are. More people know who you are. They can begin to like you. After they like you, then they trust you, and then you can sell to them. It's just that simple. So again, if you want to learn how you can do this and how you can structure your particular social platform so that you can go ahead and gain, an extra following and more exposure, go ahead and get in contact with me. Thanks, y'all.